So guys, in this video we are going to look at this installing the burp suite in our Windows operating system. If you are using the Kali Linux, you no need to install it all. It comes pre-default. So in case if you want to use it in the Windows operating system, you need to install this. First we need the Java software. Yes, this burp suite is written in the Java programming language, so we need to download this Java 8. So the latest version might give some errors, but this perfectly works with the Java 8 version. So let's go and download this. And now you can download this Windows 64-bit. I have already downloaded this. Now I will just run this. Um, Meanwhile, you can Google search for burp suite and you will get this professional or community edition. This community edition is free to download, and this professional edition is requires some licensing. I think it has some 7-day free trial. After that you need to pay for the professional edition, but I recommend this community edition. So we need to click the next. Alright, click on next, and I think it will install. So it's also going to install this Java runtime environment. Now click on this next. So I'm going to use this Firefox browser for the burp suite because I don't want to mess some proxy settings with this Chrome. So our runtime environment has been installed. Okay, even Java development kit also has been installed. Alright, Java has been successfully installed. Now we need to uh, install this burp suite. So I have already downloaded this burp suite. Let's just click on this one. You can also select this jar. It will directly open the burp suite instead of installation. This is my first time installing burp suite. I always download this jar, and I can open it. I can basically open this jar file to run the burp suite. So let's see how this installation goes. So click on next, and okay, next. I am fine with this installation directory. Okay, now it's going to create a new folder in program files. Next. Now it has been installed. Click on finish, and we should search for the verb. Oh, it's click on this Burp Suite Community Edition. So I don't want to send any feedback. I accept. And now for now we don't create any projects. I'm going to choose this temporary project and click on next. Okay, I want to use this Burp default settings. Click on next. So this is the user interface of the Burp Suite. Here you can see any tasks that are going on. Here you can see the log, what's going on. Here you can see if you visit any website, then if that website have any misconfigurations or vulnerabilities, it will be displayed here, and that information will be displayed here. You can see the request, response, etc. And this is the dashboard, and here you can see the target. Alright, now what you want to do is we need to set the proxy. It means that we navigate in our web browser, then the request will be sent to this Burp proxy. To make sure that we are getting the request in our Burp proxy, we need to go to the proxy and options, and here you can see this is a default setting of this Burp Suite proxy. So you can see it's residing on localhost 8080 port. So if we set the proxy of our web browser to this localhost and 8080, then our request will be captured in this Burp Suite, and we can edit those requests. So let's do this. You can also add another listener, but I am fine with this 8080 port. If you are using a Linux, make sure that no other service is running on this 8080 port. So let me find in this proxy. If you go to settings and click on this manual proxy settings, you need to say 127.0.0.1 and the port number is 8080. Click on this. Also use this proxy for all protocols or for FTP and HTTPS. Click on OK. Now let's go google.com. So as you can see, it's already telling the success.txt. Let's click on this intercept off. I will explain all of this in detail in other videos, but just for now we are making sure that our browser is sending the data to the Burp Suite or not. So you can see secure connection failed, try again. So what we want to do is we need to install the Burp Suite CA certificate. Without that it won't give the secure connection to us. So you type in http://burp and you will get this page. You need to download the CA certificate and save file, and what you want to do is you want to open this file, and that's it. It will ask to install this certificate. Now install this. You can also install it for local machine. I am fine with current user. and click on next, finish. Okay, now if you can see, if you let's go to facebook.com. Alright, maybe these HTTPS websites are not working. Let's go to our normal website. Let's say so. Okay guys, now HTTP websites are working. You can see the target here. You can see the domain rojc.ac.in has been loaded successfully, but we are not capturing the data from the HTTPS. I think we have set everything as fine. 8080. So okay, let me try to add this certificate manually. Use certificates, clicking on import and downloads. Okay, we are going to trust this certificate. Click on OK. I think it has been imported. Click on OK. Now let's try this facebook.com, and there you go. Okay, we need to import manually. Okay, that's fine. We have successfully managed to send the HTTPS request to this browser. Let's also type google.com, and there you can see. So here we get so many domains, because a single request to google.com can be request to so many websites. So okay, that's all about this video. We have successfully installed the burp suite, and we have set up a proxy successfully. So don't worry about all these options. We will cover every option in a separate video. Don't worry about that. This is only for installation video.